Hello and welcome to another insightful episode on Brainetainment, your go-to hub for all things intriguing and enlightening. Our mission here on Brainetainment is to make learning engaging and enjoyable. We seek to provide you with informative content that sparks your curiosity, broadens your knowledge, and helps you navigate through life with a bit more ease and understanding. Today we're exploring a fascinating topic that's sure to pique your interest: sound therapy for stress reduction and relaxation. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, and in the process forget to take care of our mental well-being. Sound therapy offers a unique approach to combating stress and fostering relaxation, but how does it work? And how can you incorporate it into your everyday life? So gear up as we delve into the calming world of sound therapy. Stress and relaxation, two contrasting states that play a significant role in our daily lives. Let's dive a little deeper into understanding them. Stress, an overwhelming feeling that plagues many of us, is essentially our body's response to demands or threats. It's like an alarm system kicking in when it perceives danger, real or not. This reaction is known as the fight or flight response, and it can be triggered by various factors, from work pressures and personal relationships to financial worries or even just a traffic jam. The effects of stress are far-reaching. On a physical level, it can lead to headaches, insomnia, and even heart disease. Mentally, it can cause anxiety, restlessness, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, chronic stress can have a detrimental impact on our overall well-being. On the flip side, we have relaxation, a state of calm and tranquility. Relaxation is not merely the absence of stress, but a conscious state that we need to cultivate. It's about letting go of tension, both physical and mental, and achieving a sense of balance and harmony. The importance of relaxation cannot be overstated. It helps restore our energy, improves our mood, enhances our mental functions, and even boosts our immune system. It's a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to relax and de-stress can be a challenge. This is where techniques like sound therapy come into play. Sound therapy, a proven method for stress reduction and relaxation, uses aspects of music to improve physical and emotional health and well-being. Now that we understand the importance of managing stress, let's explore how sound therapy can help. Sound therapy, a unique and effective approach to stress reduction and relaxation, has been gaining popularity worldwide. But what exactly is sound therapy? At its core, it's the use of specific frequencies and rhythms to influence our brainwaves and promote physical and mental well-being. Sound therapy has deep roots in human history, reaching back to the ancient cultures of the world. The Greeks used music for psychological healing, while the Aborigines of Australia employed the didgeridoo, a wind instrument, to heal injuries and illnesses. In India, the therapeutic use of sound is woven into the fabric of Ayurvedic medicine, with mantras and chants playing a key role in spiritual and physical healing. Sound therapy isn't just limited to music, it also encompasses a wide range of techniques, including binaural beats, where two slightly different frequencies are played in each ear to encourage certain brainwave activity, and vibroacoustic therapy, where sound vibrations are directly applied to the body. Over the ages, sound therapy has evolved and adapted, but its essence remains the same. It's about using sound to create balance and harmony, to tune our body and mind just as we would a musical instrument. With the stresses of our modern world, it's no surprise that this ancient practice is seeing a resurgence. It offers a natural, non-invasive way to combat stress, improve mood, and promote relaxation. Now that we've grasped what sound therapy is, it's time to understand how it works. Sound therapy works on a simple yet profound principle: the power of vibrations and frequencies. At the heart of sound therapy lies the understanding that everything in the universe, including our bodies, is in a state of vibration. Every organ, cell, bone, tissue, and liquid in our bodies has its unique frequency. When we're in good health, all these elements of our bodies vibrate harmoniously. However, when stress, illness, or disease disrupt this harmony, we fall out of tune. Sound therapy uses the power of sound to restore this harmony and bring our bodies back to their optimal frequencies. But how does it do this? Well, it's all down to a phenomenon known as resonance. Just as a musical instrument can resonate with a certain pitch, our bodies can resonate with certain frequencies. These frequencies can influence our brainwaves, helping to shift our minds from states of stress and anxiety to states of relaxation and calm. Different sounds and frequencies can have different effects on our brains and bodies. For instance, Lower frequencies can help to slow down our brainwaves, promoting relaxation and aiding sleep. On the other hand, higher frequencies can stimulate our brains, enhancing focus and alertness. By carefully selecting and combining these sounds, sound therapists can create soundscapes that are tailored to the individual's needs, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Furthermore, the rhythmic patterns in sound therapy can have a soothing effect on our brains. This is due to a process called entrainment, where our brainwaves start to synchronize with the rhythm of the sound. This can lead to deeper states of relaxation, aiding stress reduction and promoting well-being. Sound therapy isn't just about listening, though. It's about feeling the vibrations of sound as they resonate through our bodies, helping to align our internal rhythms and restore our sense of balance and harmony. With this understanding, you're ready to learn how to use sound therapy for your benefit. Harnessing the power of sound for stress reduction and relaxation is easier than you might think. This scene will provide you with a simple and practical step-by-step guide on how to use sound therapy in your daily life. Firstly, you must identify a quiet and comfortable space to practice sound therapy. This space could be your bedroom, a cozy corner in your living room, or even a peaceful spot in your garden. The key is to find a place where you can relax without interruption. Next, you'll need to choose your sound. There are various options to consider, from nature sounds like ocean waves or raindrops to white noise to Tibetan singing bowls or even classical music. It's important to choose a sound that resonates with you and promotes a sense of tranquility. Once you have your space and sound selected, it's time to set the scene. You might want to dim the lights, light a scented candle, or place a cozy blanket on your favorite chair. These small touches can enhance your experience and help you fully immerse yourself in the sound therapy session. Now, sit comfortably, close your eyes and start your chosen sound. Concentrate on the sound, let it fill your mind. Let the sound waves wash over you and imagine them washing away your stress and tension. Breathe in sync with the rhythm of the sound, deep inhales and slow exhales. This focus on the sound and your breath will help guide your mind away from stressful thoughts and into a state of relaxation. If you're new to sound therapy, start with short sessions around 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember, consistency is key in sound therapy. Regular sessions, ideally daily, will yield the best results. And voila, you now have a new tool in your stress management toolkit. Sound therapy is a powerful and accessible method for stress reduction and relaxation, so why wait? Start exploring the soothing world of sound therapy today. That was quite a journey into the world of sound therapy, wasn't it? We've managed to cover a lot of ground together, from understanding the very nature of stress and relaxation to introducing sound therapy, and finally, explaining how it works for stress reduction and relaxation. We've learned that stress is a common issue we all face and how important relaxation is for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Then we dove into the fascinating world of sound therapy, a powerful tool that uses various types of sound frequencies to stimulate brainwaves and help alleviate stress. We also learned how sound therapy works. We discovered that it's not just about listening to calming sounds, but about how these sounds affect our brainwaves, helping us shift from a state of high stress to a state of deep relaxation. And last but not least, we shared some practical tips on how to use sound therapy for stress reduction and relaxation. Remember, the key here is consistency and personalization. Find the sounds that resonate with you and make them part of your daily routine. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, we encourage you to explore sound therapy on your own. Experience the benefits it can bring to your life, from reducing stress to enhancing relaxation and much more. Thank you for joining us on Brainetainment today. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.